What's up guys, Sal here. So Qualcomm unveiled the Snapdragon 845, its latest high-end mobile processor, which will be seen in the American and Chinese variants of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. It's made on the same 10nm process as the 835, but with a lot of improvements. First off, it's 30% more efficient than the Snapdragon 835. Also, thanks to the new Exynos 630 GPU, the chipset offers 30% improved graphics, video rendering, and power reduction compared to the previous generation. The chip has Ultra HD premium capture, which means phones equipped with this chipset can record 4K HDR videos at 60 frames per second. Moreover, users can capture HD slow motion videos at 480 frames per second. All in all, sounds like a good chipset. Glad they did not rush things and kept it simple, once again employing Samsung to manufacture the SoC since they are the leading force in the semiconductor enterprise. Smartphone OEMs have been improving cameras with each new release, and today, Samsung has one of the best smartphone cameras in the industry. The pace was set by last year's Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, where the pair came with top-notch 12-megapixel sensors with a wide aperture of f1.7. With this aperture, Samsung was looking to step up the performance of the cameras in low-light conditions, and it did happen, as the Galaxy S7 Edge still stands out when it comes to photography. With the release of the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, there weren't huge changes in the camera department, as the pair retained the same setup, including the aperture. But of course, Samsung made some refinement here and there, meaning you get much better shots on the S8 compared to the S7. For 2 releases in a row, Samsung topped the charts as far as the aperture size on their smartphone cameras is concerned. However, LG surpassed this mark with the V30, which has an aperture of f1.6, the widest in any smartphone camera. Despite this huge change, the V30 isn't the best out there when it comes to photography, which basically tells you there is more to a camera performance than just aperture. Samsung's recently launched W2018 flip phone offers the widest aperture available today at f1.5, beating the V30. Its camera is not only worthy of attention because of its f1.5 aperture, but also due to the fact that the aperture is adjustable. It would make sense for Samsung to bring the W2018's camera over to the Galaxy S9, as that adjustable aperture would give the S9 a certain edge over its competitors. The presence of that f1.5 aperture means that the phone would take excellent low-light photos, jumping to f2.4 during the times when the camera is already getting enough light. Of course, we'll have to wait until Samsung actually reveals the Galaxy S9 to know if this aperture ends up in the S9. So that said, let me know what you think. Do you think the Galaxy S9 will end up having this aperture lens? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.